Welcome everyone, Boggy here. I hope you're having a great day and stay awesome. Now sorry, forgive me about the quality. This is recorded on my smartphone, so the audio and the video sort of not going to be that great, but please bear with me. This is going to be my 400 subscriber video, so thank you so much, and let's get into it. So this right here, beyond this door is my gaming rig. So let's go.
Easy go.
So before we start, I need to give a massive shout out to Sammy-Mate. He's going to be in the icons right now in the video description below and on my channel homepage. So please check him out. He made my profile picture and banner. He's a really awesome person. So he made my banner and profile pic, which is going to be right here. As you see, it's beautiful, you know. And yeah, you should definitely go and check him out. Thank you. Okay, so welcome to my gaming rig, and we're going to be working from left to right, so let's get into it. I'm going to be showing you what I do when I go live, or when I go live streaming, that is. So first up, when it comes to a gaming setup, you need a chair, a good, comfortable chair, because you're going to be sitting on your butt all day playing video games, so comfort needs to be a priority. Okay. Now, it doesn't have to be a gaming chair, because gaming chairs, as we know, are expensive. As long as the chair is comfortable, that's the main thing. So, since I'm on a budget, I just got a standard office chair. It's made out of leather, and it does the trick perfectly. So let's get on to this bad boy. Let's spin around, and let's give you the grand tour. So first up is a desk. Now, I got an L-shaped desk. Two things that are good when it comes to L-shaped desks. One, it you know, holds things up. Of course, a desk has to hold things up, but it puts, well, there's more things to put on the desk. Okay, that's what I'm trying to get around. And two is that with a standard flat desk, it's really hard to actually get to things, but with a sort of curved desk, you can just swivel on your chair, and that's the easy access for you. Anyway, so the first thing to actually display is my gaming laptop. Now, all the specs will be in the video description below. I'm not going to discuss specs, but if you want to know the specs, go down in the video description below. So this, when it comes to my gaming laptop, I don't play games. When it comes to streaming wise, I don't do that game stuff. What I do is it's just an extra monitor to relieve more space when it comes to these monitors. Okay, so basically, Nightbot, Fuzzbot, Streamlabs, just go here. Okay, but usually I just focus on Streamlabs, because when you donate, it'll pop up right here, and bam, I can see your messages. Now, next is a bad monitor. It's not a good monitor, it's a cheap monitor, because if you're on a budget, I suggest get a good gaming sort of monitor and then get a stream sort of monitor. And when I mean stream monitor, it's the worst monitor you can think of. Okay, trust me, get any monitor. It can be so cheap. Okay, so this monitor is simple. It runs my OBS, so what is displayed here will be displayed on my YouTube channel or Twitch channel. And then besides that is the live chat. Okay, so all your beautiful comments I can see right there. And since this is an L-shaped desk, all I need is just a swivel from here to here to see your wonderful comments. So this is my Predator Acer computer. Now this is a must, because for me, height is a thing, and I have to crouch. I have to crop my neck like this, and that's just not comfortable. So with this, the actual stand can go up, down. It can actually swivel like this, and it can also rotate like this. Okay, but I'm not going to show you. I'm just doing it with the motions of the smartphone. But yes, this sort of monitor right here will only be doing the games. Now, I don't want to put games on here, because you're going to be viewing this on this sort of smartphone quality, which is not that good. So I'll just put my sub count right here. So thank you so much for 415 subscribers. As when I recorded this, that's just so good, legit awesomeness. And yeah, cool. So let's go down here. Now, this is my Razer keyboard. It's a budget, as I said, this is a budget sort of gaming setup. So
this is not a mechanical, this is a membrane, which means that if I spilt something, it will still work. If I spilt something, if it was a mechanical, it won't work. So this is a foolproof keyboard. Okay, and it has LEDs and it's also cool. Now, dual Logitech speakers. Now, when it comes to a gaming setup, everything is essential. Everything is important, but to be honest, my priority is less on audio. Okay, so get whatever audio you want. You want to focus when it comes to a gaming setup. You need to focus on visual and performance. Okay, audio is last. Even though audio is important, it is last when coming to a gaming setup. Now, over here we've got an Xbox One controller. Now, I'm not going to argue about which console is the best and stuff, but in my personal opinion, this controller is the best for me personally, because first time I played with a PS4 controller, or no, PS controller, it gave me cramps because of the joysticks being, well, both joysticks being below. But since I tried an Xbox controller, I didn't get cramps at all, because one joystick is up and one joystick is down, so it's more comfortable. This is my USB extension. Instead of reaching all the way at the back of your desktop to plug in, I can just plug in here. So this is the adapter for my controller, and this is for my Blue Yeti mic. Cool, cool, cool. So we covered laptop, monitor, keyboard, speakers. Now this is just a normal Republican of gamers mouse. Okay, it's not a gaming mouse because it doesn't have any buttons on it, and I'm not hardcore, so I don't need the extra buttons and stuff. Okay, so this is my Blue Yeti. Now, I prefer Blue Yeti over any other sort of mic because it has more functions. Okay, for example, this button right here can turn the mic on or off. This sort of knob here can change the volume when you listen to your, or when you plug in your headphones. This right here is the gain, which turns up the actual volume, and this right here is the different sort of sound settings of how the sound gets produced and all that stuff. Anyway, this is my gaming rig. Okay, all the specs, as I said, will be in the video description below. This is my Wi-Fi adapter card is in here, but you got the antennas. Okay, and of course this is just well, you don't really need to know, but this is basically a two-factor authentication key. So you just plug in, you touch the button, and boom, you're in your. I get into my Google account. And the one last option is this. I left this last. This is a remote to my LEDs. You might see these LEDs around the actual table, so I can change the color. Like if I pointed red, boom. If I pointed green, cool, white, blue, whatever. I could even switch it up to whatever I want, you know. So yes, thank you for watching this sort of gaming setup. It was not much, but I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, I hope you enjoy. So be awesome, stay awesome, and live like awesome.
Next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know yet. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight.